Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Railwire Wi-Fi password. So the first step is to open a browser and type in this in the address bar. Then you're gonna have to enter the username admin and this password here and then simply click on login. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your WLAN and then simply go to basic settings and enter the Wi-Fi network name in the SSID field and click apply changes, and then basically after that you're gonna have to click on security and then simply enter the new password and then simply apply the changes, and basically that's all you have to do. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.